Hi, my name is Moti, and I'm going to show you today how to add the donation and volunteer apps to your Facebook page. A thing that is going to allow you to receive donations directly at Facebook and also get volunteer applications directly from Facebook users. Um, what I'll do first is show those of you that don't have a Facebook page yet how to create one. And after that, I'm going to go to the website, Termeme.org, and I'm going to show you how to add the apps. Uh, for those of you that already have a page at Facebook, you can skip forward a little bit to the end of this video to see how to add the apps. Anyway, I'm going to start by going to Facebook, and I am going to actually go over here to Home, and down here I have a Create Page link, and I'm going to select the page which is an organization page, and since we are nonprofit, I'm going to select the nonprofit page, and over here I'm going to put the Sire Relief Fund, and I'm going to get started. Now Facebook requires in general four pieces of information, four steps. The about information, the profile pictures, you can add the page to your favorites, and finally at the end, the preferred audience. Since I can do all of this stuff at our website, I'm going to skip the about information because the information I'm going to put in the about section is going to come directly from the content of our website that you entered hopefully in there. I'm going to skip also the profile picture. I'm going to upload it at our website, and I'm going to go to the step where I add uh, the page to my favorites, and I'm going to add it. And next, I'm going to click next, and this is where you have to tell Facebook who is your preferred page audience. It can be people from all around the world. It can be in certain ages. It can be different sexes. It can be also people that speaks a certain language. Notice that Facebook allows you to create multiple pages, and you can conceivably create a page uh, for the English speaking donors, and you can create a page in Hebrew. You can create a page in uh, four other languages: Arabic, Russian, French, and Spanish. Over here, what I'll do is I'll just put English, and that's about it. That's all I need. And I'm going to click Save. And now I have a page. Of course, the page is not going to have a profile image or a cover image. It's not going to have any information in the about, or it's not going to have information, a lot of other information that I'm going to add in our website. So at this point, you will go to termine.org and log in and put in your email, your password, and you will get to the page, the main page. What I wanted to show you first is that hopefully you filled in the information in the content and you built your page in at least two languages, I hope. It's really up to you. You don't have to. Um, but you need to enter the information over here. And if you want to see how to do it, there's also a video that shows you how to add content for your page. This is the teaser. This is the information about the charity. You can click over here and see how the page looks like on Termine.net website. Okay, so you basically created it over here and it will appear on Termine.net. What I wanted to show you over here in Termine.net, that there's no mention anywhere for a Facebook link and where your Facebook page is. Okay, initially, because you did not add the information yet. But once you do, the link is going to be there. So over here, you would click on social networks. And as you can see, you can add information in 4 different websites: Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, and Google. And today we're going to add the Facebook information. And when I click on the Facebook link, you would see Facebook sending you a message telling you that Amtatek, which is the app that manages your pages, wants the information, your profile image, profile information, and friends list. And I'll click continue as Mordecai, and then Facebook will let you know that Katek wants also to get permission to manage your pages and publish pages for you, and you have to click OK or we cannot really help you. None of the information is saved other than information that Facebook gives us at the time. The background work gives us the information about your pages. Okay, and I can conceivably add more than one page. I'm going to select only the Sigh of Relief Fund. I could actually add the other one in Hebrew, and I can select the pages, and what would happen is that in the background we will go and get information from Facebook about your account, and we'll tell you we added 2 Facebook pages for you, one in Hebrew, one in English. I did not show you the Hebrew part, but I'm sure you can do the same thing. Over here, the message in red tells you that you don't have enough friends. It's not an error. It's not a problem. It's just that 30 friends is not enough if you're a charity. You should have a lot more. Those potential friends those friends could be potential donors. and you want to increase your numbers as much as you can. Um, Please notice over here that we know what your category is. Okay, each charity has a category which you define over here in classification, and our category is um, heritage, which is Moreshet. In Hebrew, we find some groups with the name Moreshet, um, and we show you the groups that might interest you. You might click on any of them and try to join as many groups as you can, because this is how you increase the number of friends. Um, as I said, um, the friends can become later on potential donors. So increasing the number is important. If you join a group, you'll meet more people over there. You'll bring them to your page, and who knows, maybe one day they'll donate for you. Anyway, I'm going to click over here on update the Sigh of Relief Fund, and we just created it. It doesn't have a cover image. It doesn't have a profile. Usually what would happen is that if you have a big enough logo, we'll try to add it for you as the profile image, but you can also click over here, select an image which should be 180 by 180. Um, Facebook is kind of picky about that, and if you give us an image which is bigger, we will try to shrink it down to 180 by 180, but it doesn't always work. So um, you, if you want to do it right, um, have the image ready at the beginning, 180 by 180. The image over here, the cover image, has to be 851 by 315, a little bit bigger if possible. Um, but we'll try to shrink it down for you also. If you don't have an image over here, you can actually create one. You can set up a background gradient with a certain color, for example, or you can just add a background image. And I'm going to pick this image and I'm going to upload it. Now, the image does not go right away into Facebook. Okay? You did not finish yet the part about creating the image, the cover image. At this point, I would want to put over here another side image, a small one. And I'm going to click on this image and I'm going to put it over here, and now I can drag it down, and I can also tilt it if I wanted to. You can also move it, and you can click save, or you can add a little bit of text over here at the top. Let's say I'm going to say we are here to help. And I'm going to select the bigger size font. I can add a second line if I wanted to. It doesn't matter to me right now. What I want is actually a text to be in white. And I'm going to say submit. And here is the text. I can drag it down. And at this point, I am ready to actually save the image. So I'm going to click save, and we go in the background. and create the image because it is not set yet. We create the image on the fly and we upload it into a Sigh of Relief fun page in Facebook. Um, and you get the message that the image was created successfully. The name of the page is here. By the way, if you already have a page and uh, cover is set and profile is set, you don't need to do anything. Um, the only thing that you're going to have to do at the end is make sure that those two check boxes are checked. For those of you that don't, the teaser comes from the teaser that you entered over here in the content, um, and the content itself is going to come directly from the content that you entered over there. We also take the street address, we create from it longitude, latitude, so that Facebook will know exactly where your location is. You can add over here if you wanted more uh, email addresses, or you don't have to. The website address, we have that information if you uh, did go over here to the general info and input all the information. We take it from there. The open and close hours. You can put open and close hours, or you can select always open, in which case everything disappears. And if you don't, you can put the hours, you can select whatever you want and do whatever you need. Um, Make sure that those two check boxes are checked and then click the Update Facebook Page button. And at this point, you are done. Okay? That's all the work you're going to need to do. It's not very difficult. Um, and the information now goes into Facebook. And if you do a refresh on this page now, the information is going to be there. Everything that you uploaded, the information is there. You can go to the different tabs and check them out, see what you can add, or change. We encourage you to make any further modifications directly at the Facebook page, and don't do it in our website. It just that Facebook does not like it very much, and we try to keep it simple, and one shot is all you really need. Over here you can see that there is a tab for donations, and if I click on it, I will get what happens right now is that Facebook goes into our server and it gets the information from the server and will display this message. If you want to donate, please click on this button. What would happen is that the Facebook user will come over here, click on the Facebook button, and Facebook will let him know that this app is requesting this information: profile, email, birthday, current city, and if the user clicks continue, what would happen is that it goes into our server, gets the information, and now the user can select the amount and the frequency, and then clicks the donate button, and voila, um, he can donate. He can just click over here, buy donation, and the donation will go to Facebook, and Facebook will transfer the money to our charity in the U.S. Our charity is called American Friends of Israel, and they get the money, and of course they transfer it to us over here in Israel, and we transfer the money to you the first opportunity that we get if we have um, your credit card information or payment information. If not, you would have to wait a little bit because Facebook can change, lets people change their mind, and we cannot transfer the money to you without knowing that if someone makes a cancellation, we can get our money back. Anyway, this is the donations tab. There's also the volunteers tab. If a Facebook user wants to volunteer to do some work for you, he can come over here, click on the volunteers, and if he gives us the information and he agrees to it, we get from him again public profile, email, birthday, work history, education history, and current city. And he clicks continue. And what we do is in the background, we get the information from Facebook and we send an email to you and the donor and the volunteer and letting you know that this person wants to volunteer to work for you. There's no fee, there's no charge on any of that. So that's about it. Wish you good luck. Thank you.